Hi viewers, from this video presentation, we are going to learn about an overview of product lifecycle management at each stage. Product lifecycle. The concept of product lifecycle concerns the life of a product in the market with respect to business or commercial overheads and sales measures. The product lifecycle proceeds through multiple phases, involves many professional disciplines and requires many skills, tools and processes. Phases of a product lifecycle. To manage a product lifecycle effectively, it is important to understand the different stages a product goes through during production to sales. Here are the 5 stages of a product lifecycle. Introduction stage. This phase involves brainstorming, research and development, developing designs, creating prototypes and distributing them to test with audience on a small scale. Growth stage. During the growth stage, the finished product expands to wider markets and experiences a rapid increase in sales. Production cost can go down in this phase due to the economy in inventory, and marketing cost may increase because of aggressive steps to enter new markets. Maturity stage. A mature product is widely available and experiences a consistent demand in the marketplace. The company that produced the product focuses on maintaining market share and competing with similar products on the market. Saturation stage. This is the 4th stage of every product life cycle, and this is where customers have other preferences that are cheaper and better. When saturation occurs, a product starts to decline. Decline stage. Products experience decline when a market decreases due to factors such as an oversaturated market or new technology. In the decline phase, the manufacturers try to adjust their product to prevent it from becoming obsolete or switch their focus to a new product altogether. Identifying product life cycle stages. Identifying the stage of a product is an art more than a science, but it is possible to find patterns in some of the general product features at each stage. Identifying product stages when the product is in transition is very difficult. The following table will give you an idea about the identifying various stages using features like sales, investment cost, competition and profit. Extending the product life cycle. Extending the product life cycle may be made possible only by improving sales. This can be done through the following steps: advertising, exploring and expanding to new markets, price reduction, adding new features, packaging, changing customer consumption habits, special promotions, heightening interest. Product lifecycle management. Guiding a product from concept to being sold widely to consumers required a hands-on strategy known as product lifecycle management. Product lifecycle management is the process of overseeing how an item moves from an idea to a fully matured product, which involves in creating a product, improving efficiency and developing a measurable, goal-oriented process for taking an idea to market. As a product matures, this can impact the ideal supply chain and workflow process for meeting sales goals and carrying out a business overall strategy. Assumptions of product lifecycle management. Product lifecycle management makes the following 3 assumptions. First one, products have a limited life and therefore every product has a life cycle. The second one is the sale of the product passes through different stages and each one involves different challenges, opportunities and problems to the seller. The third point is every product requires different marketing, financing, purchasing, manufacturing and human resource strategies in each life cycle stage. Stages of product life cycle management. Product lifecycle management involves control over all workflow processes, and companies can implement different product lifecycle management methods that suit their particular business model, but most have three stages. Beginning of life. The beginning of life phase oversees all activities related to conceptualizing and manufacturing a product. Some of the product lifecycle management strategies used in this phase include identifying product requirements, coordinating production, testing the product in different markets, strategizing to meet supply needs. Middle of life. Middle of life involves a product's distribution, advertising, and maintenance. Middle of life product lifecycle management methods may involve analyzing shipping methods, generating leads for retail space or online sales channels, creating consistent and recognizable branding, maintaining customer support processes, servicing products, and collecting data on customer satisfaction and product issues. End of life. The end of life phase of product lifecycle management identifies when a product stops being useful to a customer. This phase can address whether a customer will repurchase an item and develop strategies to make repeat purchase easier. Benefits of product lifecycle management. Having a product lifecycle management process benefits a business in all phases of product development and distribution and allows employees to stay organized and goal oriented. Assistance to increase sales volumes. A strong product lifecycle management process identifies any limitations to increase the sales volumes so that business can forecast when they may need to adjust their supply chain to sell more products to wider audiences. Overcoming engineering issues. Product lifecycle management allows companies to optimize their resources to refine their product, solve customer problems, and differentiate themselves from competitors through high quality engineering innovations. Making the supply chain more efficient. One of the key functions of the product lifecycle management is organizing the supply chain involved in producing inventory. Identifying each step in the process through product lifecycle management allows you to identify inefficiencies and waste and seek out different supplies, manufacturers, and transportation methods when needed. Forecasting future expenses. Companies estimate the overheads associated with each part of a product life cycle during all phases of product life cycle management, producing a comprehensive repository of cost records to facilitate to forecast future expenses. Identifying revenue streams. Comprehensive product lifecycle management has a tested framework for generating possible sales leads to new opportunities in the market. Product lifecycle management facilitates the process of qualifying leads and pursuing opportunities to increase company's income so that the business can pursue expansion more efficiently.